Well, I got 2 of the beds full. Got a little dirt left, probably not enough to do a whole nother one. That's 3 scoops on a little bobcat type thing. But it was only 10 bucks a scoop, so my whole pickup load was 30 bucks, which isn't bad for this stuff. It's really good. This is my garlic, okay? And I got to thank Kathy and Arlo. Kathy I work with at Walmart. She works in the receiving department, and she gave me, her and her husband Arlo gave me this garlic, and this garlic is killer good. And gave it to me last fall, and I should have got it planted, and I didn't. And so I'm trying to get it in right away. It's, March 25th, 26th, something like that. So I'm going to try to jump on it early, so it's almost like I got it in last fall. But this is some of the best garlic I ever ate. So, another little trick, I seen a video today on it. It's cool. Lay out your garlic or your onion bulbs out on top. That way you got an evenly spaced where you want, then plant them. You know, instead I've always, stick one down to see, where did I leave off? Well, that solves that problem, So anyway, this is just a little follow-up on my Back to Eden raised garden deal. Now, after these come up, I'm not going to cover them right now. I'm going to just plant them. As soon as they emerge, so I know where they're at, then I'll start putting some wood chips around them, and then I'll fill them on the way up. I want about 3-4 inches of wood chips, like the Back to Eden video deal. And if you haven't seen it, I'll put a link underneath the video. Just click the show more button, and I'll put a link to the Back to Eden video so you know what I'm talking about, okay? But anyway, I got these 2 done. Tomorrow, I don't know what I'm going to put in there. Maybe some onion salad. Maybe I'm a little early yet. Anyway, I'm going to try it with the garlic. I want to get that in and get it done. So this is Larry up in Brainerd, Minnesota. Ciao.